Hi guys, Sean here from Level 12 Auto. Just wanted to demonstrate the new Compustar 4900S model. This is a two-way remote starter that also has a keyless entry option with 3,000 feet of range. So this is what the remote looks like. And to remote start the vehicle, you press and hold the bottom key button. It'll chime to let you know that the signal has been sent. And once the vehicle remote starts, it'll actually page you back to let you know that it started. Usually takes a second or so. There we go. And this can be programmed to run for about 15 minutes or 25 minutes depending on your needs. You can also shut the vehicle down right through the same button as well. And the vehicle shuts off, doors remain locked. For any questions, please give us a call. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you.